Bonjour tout le monde, hello everyone. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre le futur simple en français. Today, we are going to learn the future simple tense in French. So, le futur simple, the future simple in French, is actually used to express an action that will occur in future. It's a very straightforward tense which expresses future events. Future simple corresponds to all the actions like in future, like for example, will do, will eat, will go, will play. So it is exactly the same thing as we use it in English. And while conjugating this tense, keep in mind that we will always use the endings of the verb avoir to the infinitive form of the verb. I'll explain it in a better way in the next slide. We'll see that how it works. So in case if it's a first group or second group verb, it means to say if it is a er or ir ending verb and you're conjugating it in the future sub in the future simple future, we take the infinitive form of the verb and add the endings of avoir. So let's see it how. If you see it here, the very first column I have shown the subject, which means je. Then I have shown the infinitive form. So you can see any verb, er, ir, or whatever you are taking, manger, and you can see the ending. So if we combine all of them, it becomes je mangerai. So it means I will eat. Tu finiras, you will finish. Il or elle regardera, he or she will watch. So you can see all the verbs, er, ir, or maybe RE, we will use absolutely the same rule for converting them to the future. The simple future for RE ending verbs is something which is important. So what we do is that we remove E and we put the endings of avoir. We'll see one or two examples. Like for example, vendre, you can see that it's ending with RE. So what I will do is that I will remove E and I will put the endings of avoir. You can see it here. This is what I'm doing. Similarly, in voir as well, I did the same thing. Remove E and put the endings of avoir is in front of you. So you will simply be able to learn it directly from here. There are a few exceptions. Definitely, French is full of exceptions, and in every tense we have certain exceptions in French. It's a present tense. Third group is always an exception. If it's past tense, third group is again an exception. Again, in future as well, definitely we'll have certain exceptions. But the exception is not very difficult. We just need to understand the base. Like for example, in avoir, the base will be AUR. So we'll just go for AUR and the endings of avoir. You can see endings of avoir remain same. AI, etc., etc. So it remains that AI due, it will be AS, it depends. Similarly, with aller, the base will be IR. With courrier, the base is COU double R. With devoir, the base is DEVR. Envoyer, the base is double R. Être, the base is SCR. Faire, the base is FER. So you can see it simply here. Recevoir means to say to receive, so you can see it here. So this is actually a list of very small type in third group verbs of future, which I have displayed here. You have an exercise which is in front of you. Just keep revising it, and I'm pretty sure you will understand a lot of things out of it. And I hope that you will learn future sum, the future simple, uh, in French easily and quickly with this technique. Have a good day. See you soon.